Redmi Note 9 Pro Max. I have purchased this device on Amazon.in at a price point of 7,999. So let's see what's inside this box and how the phone is. This is Redmi Note 9 Pro Max. This is Interstellar Black and it has 6GB RAM and 128GB of internal storage. As you can see, it has 720G Snapdragon processor and 64MP AI quad camera. It has 6.67-inch Full HD Plus display, IPS display. It has 33W fast charger in the box and it has a battery capacity of 5020 mAh so let's cut the seal and see what's inside this box. Yeah, almost open the documentation box. There is documentation and TPU soft case inside this box. This is the document and this is TPU soft case of black color. Now this is the phone itself. I will keep it aside for a moment and let's see what else there is. This is a Type-C cable for charging. The cable has red tin inside it, as you can see. This is the charger, 33W charger, and the power rating of this charger is 5V 3 amps, 9V 3 amps, 12V 2.25 amps. This is a turbo fast charger. This is the SIM ejector tool. So these are the things that available. This is the quad camera setup. It has 64MP Samsung sensor at the rear of this device. On the front there is 32MP camera, in-display camera, and on the bottom there is earpiece. At the bottom there is speaker grill, then Type-C port, 3.5mm headphone jack. At the right side there is side mounted fingerprint scanner, and above the scanner there is volume rocker. At the left side there is SIM tray. Let's open the SIM tray and see whether it is a hybrid SIM slot or it is normal triple slot. Yes, it is a triple slot with 2 nano SIMs and 1 micro SD card support. Let's power on the device. It is being powered on. This is Redmi Note 9 Pro Max. The display feels solid in the hand. The back is made of glass and there is a camera protrusion. As you can see, the camera is little bit protruding. On the top of the device there is tiny microphone hole. This is the microphone hole and this is IR blaster. You can control your AC and smart TVs. Almost completed. This is running on MIUI 11. This device is powered by Android 10. The setup is almost complete. Just a second. Yeah, this is a Full HD panel and it has good color reproduction and the color looks punchier, but it should not be compared to AMOLED displays because AMOLED displays are better than IPS displays. Going to settings, about phone, on fast boot up. Let's see how much storage are available. You can see that out of 128GB there is 107.98GB available on fast boot up. This is enough for normal and average users. Let me activate the side mounted fingerprint scanner and see how it performs in real time. The setup is almost complete. Yeah, It unlocks instantly. As you can see, the moment I touch it, it unlocks instantly. Now coming to camera, it has 64 MP rear camera with Samsung sensor, and it has 32 in-display camera. Let's see, it is being taken in 60 MP camera mode. The detail and clarity level is immense. You can see clearly. This is the picture of a unicorn. Now I'm taking a picture in 64 megapixel mode. 64 megapixel. In 64 megapixel, the clarity is great. As you can see, the eye of the unicorn is clearly visible in this picture. Great detail level. Now I will test the in-display selfie camera, which is of 32 megapixel. I have taken the selfie. As you can see, it is a very good sensor and the detail and the clarity is great. So I think you have enjoyed the unboxing. Stay tuned for the next video. Thank you.